In this video, we are going to be talking about AMC stock and where it is headed. I'm an expert in technical analysis, and I'm going to be breaking this thing down with Market Cipher, which is an incredible trading software that I use in my cryptocurrency trading and investments that has paid off and made people millions of dollars. So if you guys want to figure out what is going to be happening to AMC stock in the relative short term, make sure you guys stay tuned into the end of the video because I have some very important information that I want to discuss with you that could potentially make or save you thousands of dollars. Alright guys, if you want to see another AMC short squeeze, please smash that like button and let me know in the comments below, do you think we're going to see another short squeeze with AMC? If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Myles and I have over 12 years of investment and trading experience. This is my second YouTube channel where I primarily focus on stocks. My other main channel, I focus on cryptocurrency investments. But if you guys want to make a lot of money in the stock market, I'm able to call out with my expertise in technical analysis big plays before they happen. You guys can also join the Discord. We have over 600 active members. We are putting trade alerts out there. We have a lot of very knowledgeable people in there. And I'm also offering my private trade alerts for stocks and cryptos. And you can access that through the Patreon, but the Discord is free and the link is in the description below. So if we go ahead and take a look at the chart, we're just going to be looking at a 1 hour chart for this moment. And what we saw on March 25th, that was a couple of days ago, we've seen a massive pump with AMC, and a lot of that had to do with the stock market was falling down, especially the NASDAQ. And what happens when the stock market falls down? If you take a look at AMC and GameStop specifically and some of these other meme stocks, you will actually see them begin to pump, and they begin to pump because some investors and some traders are using them as a place to hedge some of their positions, because generally when the stock market crashes or starts to fall down or correct a little bit, people are buying AMC and people are more so buying GameStop, but AMC is the #2 meme stock in my opinion. So if you ever see the stock market start to correct a little bit to fall down, take a look and watch AMC and GameStop. Those are incredible opportunities to play options. If you can see the volume, if you can see the price movement and where it is headed, you see a violent movement to the upside, you could probably get you some calls, get you some call options and make some quick scalping plays. And if you don't know what a scalping play is, if you guys trade options and you do a quick option that basically might last a minute, might last 30 seconds, or a few minutes, that could be a scalping play. And I did that last week with GameStop. I put basically $800 into a call option, and 2 minutes later it was up 50%. I went ahead and took my profits because you can never lose profits that you take. But let's go ahead and take a further look at AMC and where I think we are headed. If we go ahead and take a look at the hour time frame, we are seeing a little bit of pumping, but I think it's people buying the dip, and these people are probably going to get caught holding the bag, because what we are seeing since this reversal to the upside, we came and pumped up very bullish. We see some volume here. All these indicators are letting me know a lot of information, but some of them are basically the RSI, the MACD, a bunch of indicators put into one. But what we are seeing here is we bounced out of these EMA ribbons, which we became bullish, and then we came under and sold. So right now we are under these EMA ribbons, and whenever you are under these EMA ribbons, it shows a very bearish pattern. It shows a bearish formation, and that the stock price coupled with the VWAP, which is this yellow line that I see here, lets us know that we are under price strength, that the price strength is not very strong, and that most likely it is not going to be holding up. If I further zoom into the 30-minute time frame, yes, we are seeing a little bit of a reversal to the upside. So it all depends on what is going to be happening after hours, pre-market, where this thing could pop. But with some volume, we could pop out of these EMA ribbons and we could absolutely pump. There could potentially be another short squeeze, which is something you want to pay attention to. I saw the second short squeeze of GameStop underfold right before my eyes. I seen it about $60 and it started pumping massively. I said maybe I should throw some money in there just to see what happens, potentially put a stop loss, which pretty much wouldn't do anything because most of the actions are taken outside of the market hours. But what happened is it ended up pumping to what, $300 or so, which is absolutely incredible. That could happen again for AMC, but I would not put my money on it, because if I zoom out, what we are seeing is we are in a downtrend. Since we hit this top, we are going all the way down, and we came up a little bit and we're going to be going down again. So it all depends on what happens here. this could be the key to the reversal, where we could hit higher lows. So we could be reversing from here, bouncing up here, and this could be our higher low, or we could break down below this. If we break down below this level here of this low, that shows a very bullish, it shows a very bearish signal. But if we can bounce and correct here, if we can retrace, if we can start moving or reversing to the upside at this point, that will signal for us a buying opportunity and a potential opportunity to maybe buy some call options or to buy some shares, projecting that we would hit levels of resistance, which we would see nearly $12. And to be specific, we have another level of resistance that we would have to hit around $12. And let me go ahead and show you this level of resistance, something you want to watch. We have about 1154 or so, and then we have another level of support, which is very important for us to take notice. This level of support will be around this level. If we break down under this level of support, that would not be a good sign. But that could be a great sign to you if you wanted to buy some put options. If you wanted to open up a short position, I would do so if we can break down here and also show some confirmation of some more candles breaking out at the downside. But on the opposite side, if we can break out past this level of resistance, you can get another candle of confirmation. We are most likely going to be trending upwards, and that would be an excellent time to buy with confirmation a call option or a long position. So if you were to get my advice and what I actually think is happening, even though I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, we are in a bearish formation. We are moving to the downside. We see this all the way from here. We're moving all the way down. But could we go up? Yes. Could we go down? Yes, that is certainly a possibility, but I would not put my money being under these EMA ribbons that we are going to be trending to the upside. So I think ultimately we are going to be headed back down to further levels. Also, if you checked out my video on GameStop, I called out the short squeeze on Thursday night before it happened on Friday. So congratulations to all of those of you who took those trades and my additional trades that have called out my previous videos. So if you guys like today's video, please smash that like button, comment in the section below, and we will talk about anything you want to talk about. Go ahead and join the Discord, check out the Patreon, and I will see you guys in the next video.